Hello everyone, this is Amir Safa, Senior FX Consultant at Worldwide Currencies. Today I'm going to run you through what's happened to the pound, euro and dollar over the course of this week. So let's just dive right in. So the pound has been extremely volatile, but once the market opened on Sunday, it strengthened considerably off the back of some rumours that apparently the UK is willing to compromise with the EU during trade negotiations over fishing, which is one of the main sticking points in Brexit trade negotiations. So that strengthened the pound really most of the week, and it was only really yesterday morning, Thursday morning, where we saw the release of some worse than expected GDP data for Q3 of this year, as well as worse than expected manufacturing and industrial production data from the UK. So that led the market to weaken the pound slightly. But overall, compared to last week, the pound is in a better position than where it was. So extremely volatile this week off the back of Brexit headlines. Onto the euro, again, it's just been at the mercy of the pound and dollar, really. Industrial production for the Eurozone came out worse than expected yesterday. That didn't help the Euro's cause. But really, the market is looking to next month. Next month, the European Central Bank is expected to introduce further monetary stimulus in order to stimulate economic growth in the Eurozone. So today at 10 o'clock, we have the release of Eurozone GDP data. And depending on how that comes out, that could manage the market's expectations on whether the ECB is going to go ahead in December or not, and also by how much they're going to stimulate the economy. So overall, the Euro's been fairly stagnant and at the mercy of movements from the pound and the dollar. The dollar initially weakened considerably, and this was off the back of news that Pfizer has come up with some sort of coronavirus vaccine that could be rolled out fairly soon in the next few months, and that dented the dollar's safe haven status, so that weakened the dollar overall. However, in the past sort of 24 hours, the market has started to price in a potential second lockdown in the US. Now that Biden looks like he's going to be president, most likely, the market thinks that he may introduce a second lockdown in order to bring those numbers down, and that will help the economy in the long term. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Onto the US presidential elections, Trump has still not given up hope of stopping Biden getting into the White House, although US election officials have actually said that Trump's claims of election fraud is null and void. There's no evidence of that. So we'll see what happens, but Trump is yet to concede. So this could drag on for another week or so. So overall, the pound's been at the mercy of Brexit headlines and generally is in a better position than last week. The euro is very stagnant as it has been over the past few weeks, and the dollar has also been extremely volatile, weakening off the back of the Pfizer vaccine news, and then strengthening again due to a safe haven status over the market, potentially pricing in a second lockdown in the States. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.